One sunny morning in Furfuri Nagar, Motu was feeling very hungry. He shouted, "Patlu! I want something new and super tasty today." Patlu smiled and said, "Let's try a mango shake from Chaiwala's shop." Chaiwala made a bright yellow mango shake. As soon as Motu drank it, boom! Motu suddenly became super strong and started lifting benches, carts, and even a small car. Patlu was shocked. "Motu, this shake is magical." Just then, John saw everything and got jealous. He tried to steal the shake, but Motu chased him all around Furfuri Nagar. John slipped, fell into a mud puddle, and shouted, "I hate mangoes!" Suddenly, the magic wore off. Motu became normal again and sat down tired. Patlu laughed and said, "Magic is fun, but friendship is stronger." Motu smiled and said, "True, but next time make 2 shakes." Moral: greed brings trouble, but sharing brings happiness.